Hey, how's it going? It's me, Brennan Galley, and I'm going to be shooting a video today that just has a bunch of instruments plugged into a mixer, and I'm going to take all of the content that I record down, I'm going to put it into a Dropbox folder, and then you're welcome to take that content and use it however you want to. It's going to be in the description down below. I don't even know if people will be into using content that they can see created, but we'll check it out. I feel like I'm a good player. You let me know. Leave comments below, and use this stuff if you're looking for fresh content. We already have one pattern from below. This is the bass for it. Right, the drums. Little guitar. So let's add something on top of that. It's pretty weird stuff that I recorded. But yeah, it's mostly just so you have some cool samples to sort of work with. So a new track, let's go and find another kit. Let's do this one here. And we're going to do the same BPM. I'm going to do it at 82 so that we can match it from one to the other. If you're interested in the music theory stuff that I talk about, that one is, I believe it's an E minor. I think that's what it was. Yeah, E minor. So let's do something in, I don't know, E. We do A minor. Keep it sort of like that still. So let's go to the first track, and we'll lay down a drum. I didn't have the click on and it quantized it for me, which is nice. Go to 16th notes. I'll do that one again. Hi-hat. I won't do no repeat for this one. We'll do it. I'm not sold on that. Okay. Let's go to a new track now. We'll just all in program 3. thanks for checking out my videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'm super appreciative of it, and this is how I'm giving back, is giving you those samples I just created on the spot. So stay tuned for more. I got lots more of this stuff coming. Make requests of what type of riffs you want me to play, because like I can maybe like help you with an ongoing project. Even BPMs, you can tell me a BPM and I'll try to do something in a BPM and a key for you. So yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more.